This was an investment for my future, for the future of my children.
Rising interest rates continue to take their toll on BC homeowners. Julia, a single mother who wants to keep her identity private, says she has been distressed for weeks over renewing her mortgage with private lender Canadian Mortgages, Inc. She says she has to do it before Wednesday. She says her mortgage broker has been speaking to lenders on her behalf.
My mortgage broker asked CMI if they would remortgage my home and at what cost, and they stated that they would remortgage it at 15%, which would ultimately bring my payments up by around $800.
Julia says the rate her broker quoted her would be too expensive, and she says she would be forced to sell her property at a loss.
It's very hard. This is my life savings in this apartment. I paid my mortgage every month on time. They never had any issues with me. So I have no idea why my rate would go from basically 8.9 to 15%.
When it comes to a private lender, that's a little bit of a different situation because we're talking about people who are either, a group of wealthy individuals who've pooled their own private money together to lend out to the client.
Reza Sabor, a senior mortgage advisor, says mortgage rates from a private lender are not set through the Bank of Canada or bond yields, unlike mortgages from a bank.
If you're defaulting and not able to make your payments, they don't have as much leeway or tolerance for that because, again, it's their private money, it's their own money that they've lent out. And so there's a deadline on when they need that money back because it's a finite pool of money, unlike the bank who's constantly getting deposits and investments to lend out.
City News reached out to CMI about Julia's situation, and in a statement, the executive vice president of CMI Financial Group says they were only informed about Julia's situation on Monday morning, but says they will not be charging her 15% as she had previously heard. CMI has offered a renewal mortgage that is tailored to her needs, and we understand she is pleased with the result. The problem arose from misinformation given to her by her mortgage broker, a situation in which CMI was not involved. In a phone call Monday evening, Julia tells City News CMI has informed her they will renew her mortgage at its current rate of 8.9%.
It's amazing. I feel so much more happiness and I feel such less stress.
In Vancouver, Angela Bauer, City News.